Hello, my little mathematicians. Today we are going to review how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers and also how to do mixed numbers back into improper fractions. We need to know how to do both of these skills because if we end a problem with an improper fraction, we want to change our final answer back to a mixed number. If we're multiplying or dividing with mixed numbers, we have to first change them to improper fractions and then multiply with them. So both of these skills are necessary to know how to do. So let's take a look at just 1 through 3 in the top section and 1 through 6 in the bottom section. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you take the top and you divide it by the bottom. So you think to yourself, how many times can 9 go into 71? Well, 9 times 8 is 72. That's too big, so let's go 7. 9 times 7 is 63. When you subtract 71 minus 63, you get a remainder of 8. So your answer is the whole number of 7, and then you put your remainder, 8, over what you divided by 9. So 71 over 9 is the same thing as 7 and 8/9 because 9 goes into 71 7 times and has a remainder of 8. For our next one, let's divide 49 by 12. 12 times 4 is 48, so that works out perfectly. And when you subtract that, you get a remainder of 1. So you put your remainder over what you divided by, which means my final answer is 4 and 1/12. Okay, my next one, 9 goes into 66 how many times? Well, 9 times 7 is 63. So when you subtract that, 66 minus 63 is 3. So I put my remainder of 3 over what I divided by 9. Remember, you always want to leave them as fully reduced. So can you reduce 3/9? Yes, by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Can you reduce it again? No. So my final answer is 7 and 1/3 for that one. Okay, let's go ahead and try to go the other way and change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. To do that, you keep the denominator the same, and you multiply the denominator with the whole number and then add the numerator. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 29. So 29 over 5 is the same thing as 5 4/5. Okay, keep the denominator the same. 12 times 3 is 36, and 36 plus 5 is 41. So 41 over 12 is the same thing as 3 5/12. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this one is 7 over 2. Remember, you can always pause the video, try them yourself, and then unpause it and check back. Okay, to change these ones, keep the denominator the same. And then multiply the denominator with the whole number. 7 times 6 is 42. Add the numerator. So 42 plus 1 is 43. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 plus 1 is 17. Congratulations if you got all those right. If you couldn't help yourself and you tried all of them, here are the correct answers for all of them if you wanted to double check. Okay? If you got all of them correct, congratulations at mastering yet another skill.